In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Shopify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. Zapier is a really powerful tool that can help automate your workflow between different applications, and combining it with Shopify gives you an excellent way to streamline your e-commerce processes. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Zapier homepage. You can do this by simply entering zapier.com in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a dashboard that gives you options to connect different applications. Your next step is to find the section for App Connections. This can usually be found in the left sidebar of the dashboard. Clicking on that option will take you to the area where you can manage the various connections that you might want to set up. Now, look for the Add Connection button. It's typically found on the section where you manage your integrations. Once you click on that, a new window should pop up, prompting you to search for the application you want to connect. At this point, you'll want to look for Shopify in the search bar. Just type Shopify, and it will quickly pull up results. Once it appears, simply click on the Shopify icon. You're almost there. Next, you'll again see another Add Connection button specific to Shopify. Go ahead and click that. This will initiate the process of linking your Shopify account with Zapier. Now, here's a crucial step. You need to enter the link to your Shopify account. This is usually your store's URL. Simply type it in, and you'll be one step closer to making your integrations possible. Once you've done that, you're pretty much set. Your Shopify account should be connected to Zapier now, and you can start setting up zaps that automate tasks between these two platforms. For example, you can create a zap that automatically adds a customer to your email list when they make a purchase, or update your inventory when new stock arrives. If you need any further guidance or visual help throughout this whole process, there's also a video accompanying this guide that goes through everything step by step, so feel free to take a look at that for additional clarification. That's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. By taking these steps, you're now on your way to leveraging automation and making your e-commerce life a whole lot easier. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, it really helps us out if you subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and happy automating with Zapier and Shopify.